Hi, you must be Dan's friend. I'm so ready to get cooking.
Carrie, nice to meet you.
Look what my family brought in.
Oh, we got some good crappie there. That's gonna be some good eating. There's nothing better than fried crappie.
So what do we do first, Chef?
Well, let me show you. You can do it a lot of different ways, but I like to start with the back to me. I'm gonna try to get some of that back meat, and you just angle that knife, and you just ease it down till you get to the backbone. And you don't want to cut too far. If you cut too far, that makes it almost impossible. And then you'll just flip that over, and there's your fillet. But we've got to get those scales off. It always takes me a couple to really get the hang of it, so just go slow at first. And then you're just gonna come straight down that skin side. Look how pretty that is. That's just a beautiful piece of fish. And I'm through. I'm gonna turn it over to you and, and see how you could do on filleting these fish. All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
All right, I want you to try. Okay, just slow and easy. Straight down the backbone. Oh, you're doing great. That's it. Okay, now flip it over. There we go. That's as good as any professional right there.
Check it out, my very first fillet. What you got here, Gary?
Today we're gonna use just a cast iron pot. We got a simple propane cooker, no electricity needed. We're out here, we're just ready to go. We're gonna heat this oil up so it can be heating up while we're battering up that fish.
Let's fire this baby up.
Give me some fire.
All right.
Here comes the oil.
How long does it take to heat up?
About 10 or 15 minutes. We're gonna heat this up to 350 degrees.
Here's the secret to frying fish. It's the breading. It has things like cornmeal, salt, pepper, garlic, and tons of other spices. You can make it right at home. We're so close, Chef. I can almost taste it.
We're right here at it. It won't take but just a few minutes on these fillets. Let me show you what we're gonna do here.
Okay.
We're gonna cover it in the breading. Make sure you shake off the excess breading and then drop it in the grease. And you gotta ease it in there. Don't splash it and just let it slide right off in. You've gotta give a lot of respect to this oil.
Yeah.
And we're just waiting for that nice golden brown. These are kind of thin, so they'll be cooked through. A thicker piece, you have to check and make sure it's cooked. We're gonna turn it over. Everything you do is gentle so you won't knock that breading off.
Okay.
Oh, it's about ready. Let's just we'll look at the other side just for sure.
Okay.
Another thing, don't bite it till it cools off.
Aw, but it looks so good. I can't wait.
Well, it's time to pass the tongs. I'm gonna let you do some, or do the rest of them probably. Pick you out a fillet.
All right.
You go straight to the meal.
Okay.
All right, cover it up real good. Okay, hold it at the very end.
Does that look good?
Oh, that's perfect.
My gosh, these are gonna be some good fillets.
What do you think?
I think he looks good.
I would agree.
All righty, let's go ahead and put him over here. All right, let's try to do some rows of threes there. These look so good. Let's get this shore lunch started. Oh, it's so good to see you, Captain. I've got you some crappie fillets here.
Thank you. Oh, that's so nice.
All right, let's dig in.
I agree with that.
I do too. It's so good.
You know, fish is good brain food. Got a lot of omega-3s in there. It's just so many benefits, so many nutrients you get from this fish.
It doesn't have that super fishy taste that a lot of other fish have.
Most of the people I know, they say that crappie and walleye right up there at the top of the list of the best fish to eat.
And you can't get this in a restaurant, which makes me feel so proud of, you know, just going out and catching this and being able to have this amazing taste.
Well, Kev, your stewardship is almost complete. Let's go clean up so the next person that comes in here can use this really beautiful resource.
All right, let's go do it.
All right, here's this for Aunt Angie.
All right, she'll
Man,
love
it's
it.
nice to meet you.
Thanks for everything, guys. I had a great time.
All right.
Good luck on your projects, my friend.
Yes, sir. It's been so great meeting you.
It was a lot of fun.
Really.
Hope to see you soon. We'll go fishing again.
All right, I'll see you later, Mr. Dan.
You take care.
Fishing for sustainability turned out to be a crazy cool journey after all. It's not just boatloads of fun. You have the chance to make a real difference and conserve ecosystems while learning super life lessons from those close to you. So I'd like to pass this challenge on to you. Try fishing with your family and experience the rewards of becoming sustainable anglers.